Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will talk about how to improve gut health with probiotics and prebiotics. Gut health problems are common and affect millions of people in the US. A study found that 2 out of 3 Americans have neglected their gut health, and only 57% of US consumers agreed that they try to eat foods that encourage a healthy microbiome. You may have heard these terms probiotics and prebiotics before, but do you know what they mean and why they are important for your gut health? Let's find out in this video. We will also talk about where you can find probiotics and prebiotics and how you can add them in your diet. Before we start, can you do us a favor? Click on the subscribe and notification button and also support our channel by watching until the end. Now let's get started. What are probiotics? Probiotics are live microorganisms, such as bacteria and yeasts, that can provide various health benefits when you consume them. They are often called good or friendly bacteria because they help balance the natural flora in your gut. The gut flora is the community of microorganisms that live in your digestive tract and perform many vital functions, such as digesting food, producing vitamins, and supporting your immune system. What about prebiotics? Prebiotics are substances that feed the probiotics and help them grow and thrive. They are usually types of fiber that your body cannot digest, so they pass through your stomach and small intestine and reach your colon, where they act as food for the beneficial bacteria. Prebiotics can also help improve the balance of the gut flora by stimulating the growth of certain types of bacteria and inhibiting the growth of harmful ones. We have learned about the basic of probiotics and prebiotics. Now let's talk about gut health and how probiotics and prebiotics are so important to it. You may have heard of the term gut health before, but what does it actually mean? Well, gut health refers to the state and function of your gastrointestinal tract, which includes your mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Your gut is responsible for breaking down the food you eat, absorbing the nutrients you need, and eliminating the waste you don't. But that's not all. Your gut also plays a crucial role in your immune system, your nervous system, your hormonal balance, and your overall well-being. One of the key factors that influence your gut health is the microbiome, which is the collection of trillions of microorganisms that live in your gut. These microorganisms include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other tiny creatures, and they have a symbiotic relationship with you. They help you digest your food, produce vitamins and hormones, fight off infections, and regulate your mood and behavior. In return, you provide them with a suitable environment and food to survive and thrive. However, sometimes this delicate balance can be disrupted by various factors, such as stress, illness, medication, diet, lifestyle, and environmental toxins. When this happens, your gut microbiome can become imbalanced, meaning that some harmful microorganisms can outnumber the beneficial ones, or that the diversity of the microorganisms can decrease. This can lead to a condition called dysbiosis, which is associated with various health problems, such as digestive disorders, such as bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and leaky gut syndrome. Immune system disorders, such as allergies, asthma, autoimmune diseases, and infections. Metabolic disorders, such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Mental health disorders, such as depression, anxiety, and autism. So, how can you prevent or treat dysbiosis and improve your gut health? Well, one of the most effective ways is to consume probiotics and prebiotics. As we mentioned earlier, probiotics are live microorganisms that can provide various health benefits when you consume them. They can help restore the balance and diversity of your gut microbiome by adding more beneficial bacteria to your gut, or by competing with the harmful ones. Prebiotics are substances that feed the probiotics and help them grow and thrive. They can also help improve the balance of your gut microbiome by stimulating the growth of certain types of bacteria and inhibiting the growth of harmful ones. Some of the benefits of probiotics and prebiotics for your gut health are: Number 1. They can improve your digestion and prevent or treat diarrhea, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and leaky gut syndrome. Number 2. They can enhance your immune system and protect you from infections, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. Number 3. They can support your metabolic health and help you manage your weight, blood sugar, cholesterol, and inflammation. Number 4. They can influence your mental health and mood by affecting the production of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, and reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. So where can you find probiotics and prebiotics? Well, probiotics are naturally present in some fermented foods, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and tempeh. You can also take probiotic supplements, which are available in different forms, such as capsules, tablets, powders, and liquids. However, not all probiotics are the same. Different strains of bacteria have different effects on your health, and some may be more suitable for certain conditions than others. Therefore, it is important to consult your doctor before taking any probiotic supplement, especially if you have a medical condition or are taking any medication. Prebiotics are found in many plant-based foods, especially those that are high in fiber. Some examples of prebiotic foods are whole grains, bananas, onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, artichokes, chicory root, and soybeans. You can also take prebiotic supplements, which are usually made from inulin, a type of fiber extracted from plants. However, you should be careful not to consume too much prebiotics, as they can cause gas, bloating, and diarrhea if you are not used to them. Therefore, it is advisable to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake as your gut adapts. To get the most benefits from probiotics and prebiotics, you should try to consume them together, as they work synergistically to improve your gut health. This is called a symbiotic, which is a combination of probiotics and prebiotics that have a beneficial effect on your gut microbiome. You can find symbiotics in some foods, such as yogurt with added fiber, or you can create your own symbiotics by combining probiotic and prebiotic foods or supplements. Some examples of probiotic and prebiotic supplements are 1. Align, which contains Bifidobacterium longum, a probiotic strain that can help with digestive disorders and immune health. 2. Culturelle, which contains Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, a probiotic strain that can help with diarrhea, allergies, and eczema. 3. Benefiber, which contains wheat dextrin, a prebiotic fiber that can help with constipation and cholesterol levels. 4. Fiber Choice, which contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that can help with weight management and blood sugar control. Before taking any probiotic or prebiotic supplements, make sure to consult your doctor, especially if you have any medical conditions or allergies. Also, be aware of the possible side effects, such as gas, bloating, or abdominal discomfort, which are usually mild and temporary. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and useful about probiotics and prebiotics and why they are important for your gut health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.